What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to talk about what are the best 4 ways to make money online in 2020. Over the last couple weeks I've been reading your guys' comments, your guys' emails, messages I've received, and a lot of them are, I do this to make money, I do this to make money, this is the best way, this is what I'm currently doing, this just doesn't work. And so I decided I want to show you guys what, in my opinion, are the 4 best ways to make money online in 2020 and moving forward into future years. So what are they? The first way I believe is one of the best ways to make money online in 2020 is e-commerce. Now, you probably heard of this and you're probably thinking, I don't have a Shopify store, so what should I do? Well, here's the biggest misconception, the biggest problem, is so many people believe e-commerce is only drop shipping and Shopify. For example, e-commerce also includes eBay and Amazon. E-commerce is anytime you sell something online, okay? That is e-commerce. So don't be fooled, don't believe the hype that all anybody's doing to make money through e-commerce is drop shipping through Shopify, because that's not the case. Now, here's what I recommend moving forward into 2020 if you really want to make money with e-commerce. The first thing you need to do, okay, I highly recommend it, I highly suggest it, is to start an eBay account and start selling stuff that you currently have on eBay. The reason why I say this is because when you sell stuff you currently have, that idea, that light bulb in your head is going to go off, and you are going to now realize there is a bigger market for this exact product. You just got to go find it and then go and find the customer. That's where drop shipping on Shopify and other platforms do really well. Okay? So don't think that e-commerce is only for drop shippers on Shopify. It's not. Start on eBay, then move to Amazon. And then, when you're ready, you have some money, have some capital built up, invest that and start drop shipping on Shopify or one of the other platforms. I can tell you right now from my own experience that drop shipping is an incredible business. You can make a lot of money. However, I'm not the most successful drop shipper out there. I'm just not. Okay, I do other things. So if you want to know more about drop shipping, go find some, you're here on YouTube, just type in, how to begin drop shipping. And somebody has created a video and is going to walk you through step by step how you can get started. So I'd recommend, if you want to do drop shipping, go and do that. Now I just want to be clear. This list, okay, this 1, 2, 3, and 4 ideas that I'm giving you right now on these ways to make money online in 2020, these are not in any order. They're just not. In my opinion, the best one is actually number 4. So if you want to know the best way to make money, I'm going to tell you that in just a second, but that is going to be idea number 4. So let's hop into the second best way to make money online in 2020, and that is doing affiliate marketing. Now I know a lot of people are thinking, affiliate marketing's been around for a long time. How is it still the best way to make money online in 2020? Well, the reason why this is one of the best ways to make money online in 2020 is because I feel a lot of people are going to be cash strapped. They're not going to have a lot of money to invest into their business. So drop shipping, creating your own store, buying new products to sell on Amazon FBA is going to be a little bit more difficult. However, affiliate marketing is free to start. You can go to websites like ClickBank, create an account, and start promoting their products. It's that simple. The other reason why I feel affiliate marketing is going to be one of the best ways to make money online in 2020 is because it's social media friendly. Okay? You probably have a social media account. Maybe it's a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, a Facebook page. Maybe you're on Snapchat or TikTok. You can use affiliate marketing websites, affiliate marketing, just different stuff. Okay? You can promote different products and make money as an affiliate. So don't think it's just for people with a website or a YouTube channel. That's not the case. Anybody that's on social media or has a website can make money. Even if you just have an email account, okay, an email address, you have an email list, you can make money through affiliate marketing. And then again, the next reason why I think affiliate marketing is very good for anybody is because you can do it from any niche. It doesn't matter. Mountain biking, hiking, swimming, soccer, football, working out, fitness, yoga, cooking, childcare, babies, maternity, it doesn't matter. There is a niche for you, okay? You're probably in it right now, and there are products you can promote and make money as an affiliate marketer. All right, so e-commerce and affiliate marketing, maybe they're not for you, right? And that's fine. You want to find the best way to make money online in 2020 for you. Doesn't matter if other people are having success. Doesn't matter if other people are making a lot of money. The problem is if you can't do it, what's the point of even trying, right? Well, the third way to make money online, in my opinion, one of the best ways to make money online in 2020 is to create an online service business. And you may be wondering, well, what kind of online service could I actually do? Could I perform and make money? Well, if you don't know, one of the things you can do is you can create logos. Maybe you're a logo designer. That's great. Well, in yesterday's video, I actually shot a whole video talking about where you can go, how you can make up to $299 per logo. So if you didn't get a chance to see that video, go and watch it right there. Maybe you're not a designer. Maybe you don't understand logos. Maybe you just aren't very good with Photoshop and making things look pretty. That's fine. Maybe your expertise, your experience is all in advertising, specifically with, let's say, Facebook or Instagram. If that's what you know, that's where you spent the majority of your time lately, maybe that's a service you can provide. So go out there, reach out to companies, local businesses, entrepreneurs such as myself, and offer them a great service. Hey, I will run ads for you. You don't have to pay me anything. You just pay for the ad spend for the first month. I'll run the ad, show you that I do exactly what I tell you I know how to do. In month 2, this is what I charge. And if you do a great job in the first month, which is free, except for the ad spend, people are gonna come back and be like, hey, you just increased my business tenfold. I wanna hire you. And they're gonna pay pretty much whatever you ask because they know you just did an incredible job in the first month. Now that they're paying you, you're probably gonna do even better, right? So that's one of the great things about running an online service business is you can set up your offers, you can create the best business out there for you and your clients. So not only are you making money, you're helping people by making money. That's the best thing about online business. Let's say you don't know much about advertising, that's fine. You can do freelance writing, you can do website design, website creation, customer acquisition, you can create email lists, you can create, let's say, the whole email sequence. You can do all this stuff. You can offer any service you can think of to people. So if you've ever run across somebody that was like, I just don't know how to create a website, well, that could be a potential client. You're like, I don't know how to write email copy. Well, that could be a potential client. That's money right there. You just have to create the business to offer that service. And that's exactly what an online service business does, is you offer a service to somebody online. Simple, right? And that's one of the best ways to make money online in 2020. And I believe this is one of the best ways to make money online for the next decade. So if you want to make money, maybe give it a shot. And number 4 on this list of the best 4 ways to make money online in 2020 is to create a personal brand here online. But how do you do that? Creating a personal brand is actually very simple. We have social media at our fingertips on our phone. It's 24/7. It's so easy to make money as a personal brand. And the best way to create a personal brand is to start getting people to follow you. Doesn't matter what it is you talk about. I have people that I follow that they talk about swimming. I have one, she talks about cooking. I have one, she also talks about doing keto. There's another person that does yoga and CrossFit. I have another person that I follow that he talks about making money online. Another one that talks about selling on eBay. Another one that talks about selling on Amazon. Another one that just talks about entrepreneurship. One, he just talks about motivation. These are all different niches, different people. They all talk about different things, but they're creating their personal brand. But you're thinking, okay, I have a personal brand, but how do I actually make money from it? What can I do? This is the beautiful part about having a personal brand, is you can promote anything. For example, I just gave you 3 ways, in my opinion, are the best ways to make money online in 2020. And in way number 4, creating a personal brand, you can sell e-commerce products, you can do affiliate marketing, and you can offer some type of online service. So as a personal brand, you can promote anything under the sun. You can find ways to make money. And that's the beautiful thing about branding, and especially as a personal brand. You do it all yourself. You create yourself as this expert or guru or novice, however you want to position yourself into the market, and you put yourself out there. You create the products that are going to make you the money. You acquire different customers and clients and potential customers, and you can start making money right now. One of the things that I've always loved about personal branding, and this isn't new, personal branding is not new. A lot of people think it's new just because of social media and all the hype and everybody's just blowing up. Personal branding is not new. Think of somebody like Michael Jackson, who was a singer, but also he was his own brand. Think of somebody like Michael Jordan, who was a basketball player, but was also and is also his own brand. Think of somebody like Elvis Presley, who was a singer, but also, if you just said Elvis, that was a brand. People knew him. The Beatles, okay? There's so many people out there, not just in 2020, but back in the 2000s, in the 90s, in the 80s, in the 70s, in the 60s, there were brands out there. You may not have known that because that wasn't a big term. People weren't really talking about it, but these people were their own brand. So if you want to make money in 2020, my opinion is the best way to make money online is to create your own personal brand. Now, let me give you a few tips on creating the best online business in 2020. Doesn't matter which one of these 4 you pick, or you could pick something completely different. But let me give you some tips to create the best possible business. Tip number 1 is to choose an online business. Put your head down, focus, and spend all your time running this business. Let's say it's on e-commerce and you're creating an eBay business. Great. Spend all your time buying new products, listing those products, shipping those products, and making money. And then just reinvesting all the profits back into that business. And if you can do this time and time again, what's going to happen is your small business is going to blow up. You're going to have a big business, which means now that you have more money, it doesn't mean you can make a lot more money. Okay, essentially it does, but just because you have more money, that creates more opportunity for growth, more opportunity for a better and bigger business. Doesn't mean you're gonna make more money, just means you have more opportunity. So money does not make money. Money creates opportunities. That's what you need. The second tip that I have for you guys, and again, it doesn't matter which topic, which business idea you decide to run with, it is to continue to learn the business. And I can't stress this enough because as an entrepreneur, I've been doing entrepreneur type things for 20 some years. However, I've been making money online since 2006, so 14 years. And I can tell you, the best thing you can do, whether it's in your free time, your downtime, okay, you're still working, whatever, is to continue to learn the business. Because business, especially online, is always evolving. There's always new things, there's always new trends, there's always new ways to make money. And if you can't keep up with these trends, with these adjustments, with these new ways to make money and make more money, your business will fail. And I can guarantee that. The third piece of advice that I have for you when it comes to making money and creating an online business in 2020 is you have to stop worrying about all the negativity, even all the positivity outside of your business. Don't worry about it, okay? Because there's gonna come a time when there's gonna be this new business over here trying to distract you, trying to take your eye off the ball, take your eye off the, what you're focusing on. And this business over here, the problem with it, it's not gonna go away. So let's say I have an eBay business and I'm doing extremely well, making a lot of money. The problem is, I got Shopify over here telling me, hey, this is where the money is. You gotta come over here. Gotta make money right here. I guarantee you right now, you're probably looking at that hand, right? Stop looking at the hand, okay? I see it over there, but I'm focused on the camera. I'm focused on you because I want you to make money, okay? I can tell you right now, this business, it's always gonna be there. Doesn't matter, okay? It may be Shopify. maybe drop shipping. It may be selling on Amazon FBA or doing affiliate marketing or creating a YouTube channel, personal branding. It doesn't matter. There's always going to be this business. I guarantee it. In my 14 years here online, there's always been this business. It doesn't matter. It doesn't go away. The only thing you can do, focus on the one thing that you have your eyes set on. Okay, that one business. Focus on that and I guarantee you will be more successful. So there you guys go. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you did, like always, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.